If you're looking to download ueli safely and get the latest version, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to download ueli from the official source, how to choose the correct file, and what to check before you open it. So let's jump right in. Start by opening any web browser on your computer, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Type ueli into the search bar and look for the official website or the official GitHub releases page in the search results. Next, open the official download page and take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct site. Downloading from the official source helps you avoid outdated files or unofficial versions. Now find the latest stable release and choose the correct download for your operating system. If you're using Windows, download the exe installer. If you're on another platform, select the version that's made for your device. Click the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. Yeah, depending on your internet connection, this usually only takes a few moments. When it's done, you'll normally find the installer in your Downloads folder. Open your Downloads folder and make sure the file downloaded successfully. Just check that the file name matches the version you selected and that there weren't any download errors. At this point, you're all set. Whenever you're ready, simply double-click the downloaded installer to begin the installation process, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded the latest version of ueli from the official source. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.